Students, in this video we are going to discuss some of the important questions for coming first unit test from first PUC biology. The first chapter is Living World. ICBN, ICZN full form they may ask, and the correct sequence of taxonomic hierarchy. Highest is kingdom and lowest is species, and the definition of biodiversity, and the basic unit of classification, that is species. They may ask the binomial nomenclature of mango, potato or wheat. Then one of the most important question for 5 marks here is the definition of binomial nomenclature, who proposed it, and the rules to write the binomial nomenclature. So from first chapter these are the question. Second chapter is biological classification. So who proposed 5 kingdom classification, on what basis they may ask. The definition of terms like red tides, diatomaceous earth users, lichens definition, then phycobiont, mycobiont definition, mycorrhiza. They may ask deuteromycetes, which is the fungi imperfecti. Then classification of bacteria based on shape, the diagram of Nostoc or bacteriophage or TMV they may ask, and the classification or types of protozoa also they may ask. So the last 3 questions are very important to the exam. So third chapter is plant kingdom. From this chapter the features of bryophytes, or the bryophytes are called as amphibians of plant kingdom they may ask. Definitions of terms like pyrenoids, gemmacups, uses of algae is very important, and any 5 features of gymnosperm also they may ask. Then algae 3 types, the 3 types of algae, the different types of pigments present in them, and the stored food in them. Fourth chapter is animal kingdom. From this chapter, from the 3 phylums, phylum Platyhelminthes, Annelida and Arthropoda, their excretory organs are the organs helpful in osmoregulation. For example, flame cells in Platyhelminthes, nephridia in Annelida, Malpighian tubules in arthropods, kidney in mammals, that they may ask. And the 2 body forms of cnidarians, polyp and medusa, the definition of bioluminescence, and pneumatic bones are present in birds or apes. The rasping organ in mollusca is radula. And very important difference between chordates and non-chordates, very easy. And or they may ask the difference between chondrichites and osteichites, cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. For 5 marks they may ask the features of phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in animal kingdom. They may ask the economic importance of Arthropoda or insects. Then the features of class Apes, or the modification in apes that helps in flying. And from this animal kingdom chapter, they may give some animals name and they ask you to identify their phylums. Like for example, Cumgelis belongs to phylum Ctenophora, Pila belongs to phylum Mollusca, Planaria, Platyhelminthes, Ascaris, Ascalmenthes, Starfish, Echinodermata, Cycon, Porifera. And the last chapter for this first unit test is morphology of flowering plants, and this chapter is only up to leaves. For the important topics related to that is phyllotaxy and their types, venation and its types, and the 4 whorls of bisexual flowers along with their units, adventitious roots, then the different regions of root, and the difference between taproot and fibrous root. So these are some of the important questions for the first unit test from first PUC biology. Thank you.